In this video, I am going to show you how to reset your TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. Keep in mind that a factory reset will erase all your Wi-Fi settings, including network name, password, and configuration. So after the reset, you will have to set it up again. Now, just go and plug in and power on the extender. Plug the TP-Link extender into a wall outlet and wait for the power LED or once the power LED becomes solid. The extender must remain powered during the reset. The next step is just to find the reset button. Locate a small reset button or a pinhole. Depending on your model, it might be, as example, at the bottom, on the side, on the back. So you'll usually need a paper clip or SIM eject tool if it's a pinhole. Then you'd like to hold that reset button. While the extender is powered on, press and hold that reset button and wait until the LEDs begin flashing or the power LED starts blinking. Once that's happened, release the button. On many TP-Link range extenders, holding the reset button for about 1 to 2 seconds starts a factory reset, though some older models may require longer press. So to be safe, just hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then you would like to wait for the extender until it's reset. This usually takes from 30 seconds to 1 minute. The extender will reboot and restore its factory settings automatically then. After the reset, you can go and connect the extender or connect to the extender default Wi-Fi and open the TP-Link Tether app or visit the TP-Link repeater.net in a web browser to then set it up and follow the setup wizard or basically to connect to your Wi-Fi network and set up the extender as you did at first. So I hope you liked this video and found this helpful. Thank you for watching. That was it for me, and goodbye.